I'm going to talk about my iPhone. I would describe it as a flat, rectangle-shaped object, shiny black, and weighs about 100 grams. As for its uses and functions, the iPhone is extremely versatile, and its true power is in the downloadable apps that you can install. The device has loads of functions. Apart from using it to chat with my friends and making phone calls, I use it to send emails, check the weather forecast, browse the internet, listen to music. I even use it to watch movies while I'm on the train. It's very important to me because it makes my life a lot easier. Let me give you an example. Last Saturday, I was supposed to meet a friend of mine for lunch. He invited me to this new Italian restaurant. Although he gave me directions, the street was unfamiliar to me and I got lost. But that wasn't a problem because I just took out my iPhone and used the GPS app to help me get there. I just entered the destination address and that was it. What else can I say? Oh, I also keep a lot of important information in the phone, like phone numbers, emails, even bank details. So, in fact, I'll say my iPhone is indispensable. I just can't imagine living without it.